Nightlife Way.
Everybody need a little fresh air, you know? When I'm going and stressing, I need some fresh air. Sometimes I take a long ride and enjoy the fresh air. Hey, Granddad, I'm vlogging. You want to say what's up to the people? Granddad, you know, he old school. He like, I don't know what vlogging mean, you know?
Really don't.
But he said, what's up, people?
Nightlife Way.
Okay, now you guys, so we're here at the Electra. Huey Doobie. Looks like I need some air in that tire. Kind of low. But yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a quick update on the floors. I ended up stripping the whole carpet out, well, majority of it. I would say 85% of the carpet, probably 90% of the carpet is out. Probably got a little bit left under the seat, but I discovered more rust. And like I said before, you can't be surprised with these type of things when you find them. But I think I did a pretty good job in getting that carpet out of here. You know, my guy did a pretty good job in putting that floor pan on the driver's side for me with the riveting. You know, seam seal it when we're all finished with the entire floor. So, you know, it's been cold. I've been working, you know, been on the move. Like I said, we're in the middle of a move, so I've been moving around a lot. See, we got some water here, so it's looking like we're gonna need to address the issue with the leaking from up here. So yeah, it's looking like we're gonna have to address that too. Also, we ain't gonna cry about that. So here we go, y'all. Finished product. Finished the floor pans off. Seam sealed it. Sprayed a little rust protector on it. Shine the light a little closer, son. There you go. Sprayed a little rust protector on her. You know, still got a little more work to go. You know. You guys can see this side a little. There you go. Yep. Got up under there, sprayed it, seam sealed it real good on the sides here. You know, I know a little something. Doing everything the Nightlife Way, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I got the carpets laid out for Huey Doobie. It's looking like this is the front, driver's side, obviously. And that's the back. So it's not so bad. It's not so bad. Usually they would be kind of cramped in tight. They're looking like they're ready to go right in right now. They already have the creases in them. Crease right here. So yeah, it's looking like I'm about to go ahead and vacuum this sucker off. Throw it right in there. Make my cuts, throw it right in there. You can see the bottom, got a little insulation on it. It's okay, I already insulated the car a little bit. Yeah, you guys, there you have it, moving forward. So yeah, y'all, Ended up getting caught in the rain. A little bit of rain, but you know, the grind don't stop. And I ain't gonna cry about that. Because I gotta get this carpet in here, as you guys can see. It's looking good. It's looking good. We ain't done yet. It's looking good. I like the way it came out. You know, like I said, it's not finished, but it looked good. It's the look I'm looking for. You know, did my little cuts around the seat belts. And it looks real good. I like it a lot. So no more of these going in there. But like I said, we're gonna go with the hardwood floor over this. Hardwood over that. But I like how it looked. I like how it came out. You know, so like I said, it's still not finished. We got a little cleaning up to do. You know, around the edges, but I like how it came out. You know, so y'all get down in the comment section. Tell me what y'all think. You know, as soon as it came, I didn't want to let it sit. As soon as this sucker came, I threw it in. You know, I learned from the best. My son said, "You ain't gonna call it professional?" I said, that was the best joke of the day. You know, best joke of the day, but check it out from the driver's side. Best joke of the day. So I snatched the seats out, laid it down. I didn't take out the front seat, took out the back seat. It was a two-piece carpet, so it's pretty simple to put in. And check it out, you guys. I like it a lot, like I said. You know, like my buddy told me earlier,
Nightlife Way.
take your shoes off before you get in here. You know? So we got the granite top coming next. Granite top coming next. So about to go ahead and cover her back up because we don't need no more leaks. But yeah, man, shout out to Stock Interiors, man. I really like the way it came out. You know, like I said, I'm not done with it. Still got some little spots to get here and there, but other than that, it's down. I like it. Moving forward. Quick little peek at my custom floor mats, hardwood floor mats, and my 1970 Buick Electra. Quick little peek. Loving the way it came out. Matching the door panel. Shh, quiet. Looking pretty cool.